our Dyson vacuum cleaner gave up the ghost and let out the magic smoke while my wife was using it. Quite dramatically. Apparently there was a bang and a lot of smoke came out. So I had a look at it and the brushes had disintegrated. The brushes just inside the motor. And before fully reassembling it, I thought I would test it quickly and see if it's working again. Maybe maybe there's more to it. Maybe there's more to it than just the brushes. I'll turn that on again. We'll see what happens. So, second solution: stick a new motor in it.
What was it doing?
And put the new one in instead of the old one.
Why?
Hopefully, it won't go on fire again.
No.
Cougars aren't meant to go on fire, are they?
Yeah. Then maybe they're not upside down.
That's a good question. I'll put it the right way up.
Yeah. Yeah.
That's much more promising.
Yeah.
Enough torque to make the machine jump, and it spins nicely, and most importantly, it doesn't go on fire.
They don't do the smoke again.
No, we're not doing smoke again.
And put this on.
It goes on last, this goes on first. Just wait out. Now you put that on. Okay.
Don't do them.
No, this bit goes here. In here, in that hole. Oh dear, you've got a real screw, didn't you? Don't touch the camera.
Don't do in the dump. Daddy, don't do in the dump.
No, it doesn't go in the dump.
No.
This will work again now.
Yeah. Yay!
No.
Is it?
Is that working?
Daddy,
Yeah.